Magandang araw. Ako si John Eric Sirohe at ang topic ko ay tungkol sa damaged ship's water type. Tatalakayin ko ang epekto ng flooding sa barko at kung paano ito nakakaapekto sa stability at kaligtasan nito. Flooding in a single compartment affects the ship's stability because water adds extra weight and may cause the ship to lose or sink lower. Number 1. Kapag may tubig na pumasok sa isang compartment, tatagilid ang barko. If the aft tank is flooded, the stern will sink lower and the ship will trim by stern. The officer should immediately inspect the damage and control the flooding. Number 2. Kapag binaha ang likod ng barko, lulubog ang puweta nito. The free surface effect caused by flooding reduces the stability of the ship because the water moves inside the compartment. Number 3. Ang gumagalaw na tubig sa loob ay nagpapahina sa stability ng barko. If the ship lays to starboard due to flooding, ballast transfer or pumping out water may help correct the leak carefully. Number 4. Maaaring maglagay ng ballast sa kabila para bumalik sa balance ang barko. Counter-flooding must be done carefully because improper flooding may worsen the leak or cause the ship to sink. Number 5. Kapag mali ang counter-flooding, baka lalo pang tumagilid o lumubog ang barko. Salamat po.